Hi everybody, this is Coach Tara Woodruff, the Mind Reset Coach, coming to you today with a video about a new tool I found to make your life easier. If you're a blogger, this is definitely for you, so stay tuned. Well, today I set a challenge for myself. I wanted to post 4 blog posts today, and this is going to be number 4. This is going to be my 4th blog post, and I didn't know where I was going to get inspired from. I still have time left in the day. 9 o'clock, my company has an empowerment hour phone call, so I figured I'd probably get some ideas there because that always happens. I could write notes and have ideas for days. And then I decided to go check out my Google Analytics. And I'm going to go ahead and share the screen. I want to show you what I found. Ready? That I did not know existed before. Let me go over here. I was over here. I wanted to kind of play with what was going on with actions while folks were on my page, while they were there. Because I have a forwarding domain, it doesn't quite sync up here. And they give you an option that you can try Page Analytics Chrome extension. I'm like, what? There's an app for that? Who knew? So let's go on over to the app. Now, this is this is for, let me see how to explain it. I don't really analyze my analytics a lot. However, I do visit them every day and take a look, and I study what it means and so forth, but I'm not a super analytical type of person. I don't want to worry about the numbers too much. However, it's important to be able to see what's going on. Now, this Google app extension is such a great idea. I mean, I am so excited. Let me tell you a little bit about what's going on here. Basically, say this is your website. You'll be able to see at the top here, online behavior. Okay, let me see how much of my screen you can see. You can't see my toolbar, so you can't see like the apps I already have. Like I have a Sniply, which is a really great idea, guys. If you want to share people's things, and yet you still don't want to be you still want people to come back to your content, Sniply is an excellent way to make sure that people are noticing you as well when you share other people's content. Then, of course, I got the share button that brings me to StumbleUpon and whatnot. Then I have a screenshot thing. But I'm going to add Page Analytics to my toolbar right now. And basically what I'll have here is I'll show you the page views, unique page views, average time on the page, success rate, and we'll get into that, I think, here in a minute, and then exit. And then right here, let me see if I can make this even bigger for myself, because I'm not quite seeing what that says. I can't. Ain't no use in going bigger. Let's just test it out and see what happens. Okay, then you have reviews. So people liked it, support, if you need any related other things that are kind of like that, opt out, add on, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to Chrome. This is a Page Analytics Chrome extension, allows you to see how many customers interact with your web pages, including what they click and what they don't click. That's important to me, okay? So I'm really excited about this. Use these insights to optimize your website layout, improve your user experience, which is the most important part, guys. If you don't have a pleasant user experience on your blog or your website, they're not going to click on anything. So the rest of it's mute. So that's really important. And increase your conversions. And of course, we're in business, guys. Having conversions is important. When you view a web page for which you have Google Analytics access, you'll see Google Analytics matrix, page views, unique page views, average time, bounce rate, and exit percentage, number of active visitors in real time, and in-page click analysis. What? You can use Google Analytics date comparison and segmentation tools directly on the extension pages you are tracking with the Google Analytics code for an account. Your Google account login has access will appear like this in your Chrome browser. By installing this item, you're agreeing to Google site terms and policies, blah, 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 if you need to know all that stuff. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and do it. And we're going to do a live check-in. Today's going to be a little crazy because of how many posts. And it's when you post that much, it's difficult to syndicate where you're optimizing all the posts right, you know, so here we go. It's done. It's right there at the top of my page. Nice little analytics squiggly line there. Let's go ahead and get on over to, let's go over to my blog. Where's my blog? Dun, 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 dun. Now, we're going to go right here to my homepage. I'm going to turn off the sound. There's an awesome Alan Waits video here. You got to see it. So it's right here. Let's go ahead and see what happens when I click the analyzer. Uh-oh. Maybe. Let's see here. It's not. Yes, I do. Okay. This is a brand new blog post, right? Right now, there's a visitor right now, which is me, as you can tell. All sessions, no one has seen this blog post yet. So let's go on over to another blog post. This is one I posted the other day. Get something a little bit older. Bam. 58 page views, 49 unique, average time on page, 12 minutes and 20 seconds. That is amazing. Amazing. Bounce rate 86. That's about, the site average for me is about 75%. For a blog, that's about right. That means that they are coming to your page and finding what they're looking for. Or it could also mean that you're not redirecting them to other things on the site as well. So basically, bounce rate means they saw what they saw and they left and didn't continue to explore your website. That's how you can tell what that means. Exit 77.59. Now, 6 clicks. This link plus 13 more on this page. Two clicks, work with Coach Tara. 3 clicks, links to, I'm not sure if that goes back to the home page or not. 6 clicks to this tattoo mom revolutionized. Okay. 6 clicks there. Look at this. This is the crazy sauce. People clicked my name. 6 people clicked my name right here. Let's see what else. What this here? Where did that go? Interesting. One person went to this blog from this post. 6 clicks onto this post, so they found me in-house. This is wild, guys. What do you think? I mean, why not add this to your toolbar? Let's see here. This is a good way to see if people are clicking through to other people's blogs. So let me give you another hint here. When you are commenting on someone's blog, it's really powerful, guys, to put in the website, what you see right here. When you put in your website, you can either direct them straight to your homepage, if you'd like, or you could direct them to a specific post you want people to see that day. So, like Bill Davis, I think his goes straight to his website. Brian and Felicia, it goes straight to a blog post. I can open that in a new tab and show you. See that? Part 2 of their series about Hero, the book by Rhonda Byrne. So that is some powerful stuff. If you're not doing that, everybody on this post did it, which is great. Once in a while, I'll get a lot of people posting, and they don't click back to their stuff, and it's really important because guess what? I'm going to click back to your stuff. Look at that. Right now, we have 2 other people here besides me. That's fantastic. Now let's go to, oh, look, we can see here. Somebody clicked on Brian White. 1 click. That is fantastic. Okay. Somebody went here to Karen Ray. Let's go to yesterday's post and see what happens here. I just want to play with this a little bit in front of you so you can kind of see what's going to go on. Bounce rate's high on this one. Not sure why. This was a super easy read. 19 views, 15 unique. 3 minutes and 16 seconds here. Well, maybe that's why. Maybe it was too easy of a read. Two clicks to me. Where does that bring you when you do that? Let's look. Brings you down here to the author page. That's interesting. Excuse me. See where else people are clicking. People are clicking there. 2 clicks here. So interesting. All right. Now let's go back to I want to go back to home. Can I push that up? Yes. Look at that. I can have this cute little thing right here and tell you where people are. Oh my gosh.
To wake up, you're going to wake up. And if you're not ready, you're going to stay pretending that you're just a little, poor little me. And since you're all here and engaged in this.
All right. So I know this is getting kind of long, but I really want you to see the power of this little tool here. You just drop that down. I'm going to give you all the analytics. This did better on bounce rate, 7 minutes and 55 seconds. That's about how long it would take to read this post. 17 total page views, 13 unique hits. That is fantastic. So this is a really great tool, guys. I definitely tell you, go ahead and get it. Go ahead and put it on your Google Chrome extension and use it to analyze your posts, because having real-time interaction here is huge. And look, 2 people scrolled back up. How awesome. Just 2 people went there. People clicking on my post. So this is good. Two clicks there. How about that? How about that? So guys, this is a very interesting tool. I think you should definitely check it out. It's not exactly what I thought it was going to be, as far as being able to tell if people are clicking on the Twitter button or the LinkedIn button or the YouTube or this particular your things. But that doesn't mean that I'm just not using it right yet. Maybe I just don't understand all of it. I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys this awesome new tool that I discovered literally 5 minutes ago. I'm going to come back, show you my face. This way you can see my face. And thank you so much for coming by and learning about analyzing your website's data as it's going. You can use this if you've got a forwarded, like I have, my blog is hosted on Kalatu.com. And of course, my blog domain name is CoachTaraWoodruff.com. So that's why I couldn't get to those analytics. And that's, maybe I just don't know everything about that, because, you know, even though I've been blogging for a long time, I've not been big on the technical parts. I've been pretty good with keywords. I've been pretty good with syndication, which is really important. And I certainly like to have a beautiful blog, as you could tell. So come on over, visit my blog, have fun, check out my posts. My content varies from, well, most of it is personal development and business. So I'm very into personal growth, business growth, and learning new things and sharing new things about business, social media marketing, and so forth. Don't forget to check out the last post, all about Google Plus marketing. You've got to check it out. Super important. My dear friend and business partner, Kara Canavo, just released her course, Google Plus Mastery. And I can tell you what it's done for me is out of this world. So go and check all that stuff out. I'll go ahead and put the link below, and go get yourself this Google extension. I'll see you all later. This is Coach Tara Woodruff. Peace. See you on the Empower Hour. The Empower Hour as well. I'll go ahead and leave that in there and get in touch. Let's do something. Bye.